my name is Liza if you're new around here, and today we are talking about my favourite cleaning products for the start of 2020. So I wanted to talk to you about some products that I've absolutely been loving recently, and I will continue to use them in 2020. So if you want to see what I've been absolutely loving and things that I recommend for you in your home, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so I've done one of these videos before, so what I'll do is I'll link it down below if you want to go and check out what I used to love, and a few of the products in here may be similar, but there are quite a lot that are actually very new. So let me start with what we're going to start with. What I want to start with is a stain remover, which I use in my laundry routine, and it is this Vanish Gold. So this is a Vanish Gold pre-treat stain remover, and I actually think that my mum gave this to me ages and ages ago, and I had a few stains on the boys' clothes, like oil stains and things like that, and I used this pre-treat treatment and it got rid of the stains very, very easily. So I always put my washing on like a 30 to 40 degree wash, and it still got rid of the stains absolutely fine. So this was definitely one to try. I've always used Vanish products for stain removal, and this treatment is really, really good, so I definitely recommend that. And it's like a gel treatment, so you literally just rub it into the area. It's got this kind of like dome shape here, and you literally just squeeze it onto the area and then rub it in using this, and leave it on for like 1 to 5 minutes, I would say, and then wash it as you usually would, and it gets rid of the stains. So that is a really, really great product. The next product that I really like, that I don't think I put in my favourites but I have done a video for, is the pink stuff. So I discovered the pink stuff last year, and it is such a great multi-use product. My favourite places to use this is in the bathroom, so on grout, on the toilet, so wherever you get kind of stained areas, this is great. If you are using it in the toilet, obviously get a second tub of it, but yeah, I absolutely love this stuff. It's so good. It's great for getting like trainers white, like getting rid of scuff marks in trainers. But like I said, I have done a whole video on how to use the pink stuff, so if you want to go check that out, I will link it up here or down below for you, so you can watch that after this video, because there are so many ways you can use the pink stuff. Towards the end of last year, or maybe in the middle of the year, I bought this, which is the pink stuff, the Miracle Cream Cleaner. It's a bit like Cif or Jif, and it's really good as well. So this one I like to use in my bathroom, so in the bath after the boys, or after I have a bath, and I'll just give the bath a good scrub down. This is absolutely great for that. What I'll do is I'll put the cream onto like a damp cloth, and then I'll wipe the area that I need to wipe or clean, and then I'll like go back over it with another clean cloth, and that just makes it super sparkling and clean. And it's got a slight like grip to it. It's a mild abrasive cream cleaner, yeah, so it has got a slight grip to it. It's a really great product, again, for bathrooms and things like that. But if you've got some real tough stains, then I would go for this one. So it just kind of depends. This is more like an everyday product. This is more for like those real tough stains, like grout stains especially. I loved using it on my grout on my floor, and also the grout in my bathroom as well. It's really, really great for that. You could also use the pink stuff on like tea and coffee stains in mugs and things like that as well. So it's really great for marks that you just cannot get rid of. So definitely try the pink stuff range. I haven't got the spray yet. There is a spray out as well, so let me know if you've tried that and if you would recommend it. Next, I wanted to talk about a makeup brush cleaner. So I get a lot of questions actually on how I clean my makeup brushes. It's something that I should probably do more often. I think we all could probably clean them more often, but what I like to use when I do clean them is this. So this is the Style Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser, and this, guys, is amazing. I used to just use like fairy liquid or baby shampoo, and I used to have like this kind of like rubbery mitt, and I would clean my brushes with that, which was absolutely fine, but it was very, very time consuming. I have done a video on how I've cleaned my brushes in a recent cleaning video, so I'll link that one down below as well, so you can see how I actually use this. And you definitely need it, especially for foundation brushes. If you just want to get something for your foundation brushes, because that can be really hard to clean, then get this, even if it's just for the foundation brushes, and then use like fairy liquid for your more eyeshadow brushes and like, you know, powder products. For foundations and liquid products, I would definitely highly recommend this. You get, how much do you get in here? You get 500 ml, and it does go down quite quickly. I'll probably use this now for 3 to 4 brush cleaning sessions, so we're getting towards the end now, but it's definitely worth it, and it definitely helps when getting the foundation out of brushes, which can be very tough at times. Okay, next I want to talk about Method. So I have really enjoyed using Method products over the years, and this is one that I discovered last year, and it is the All Floor Cleaner. So it's a squirt and mop. So basically all you need to do is squirt this on the floor as you're mopping and mop it all up, and that is it. So you don't need to do anything else. Squirt it on the floor, mop it up, and you're done. This is the Wild Rhubarb scent. I think they may have another fragrance in this, I'm not entirely sure. It says no bucket or water required. Squirt directly onto the floor and mop with long strokes and you're job is done. So yeah, if you need something that's really quick and easy to use, then this is great. I also use a spray mop as well. It just depends on my mood really, but I do like this, and as you can see I have used quite a lot of it. I love the smell of Method products. The lavender one is one of my favourites. I really love this scent. So this is actually nothing to do with this video, but this is the limited edition foaming hand wash. Oh my god guys, this smells amazing, and it's a foam and it's just so nice. I keep this in my utility room, and the pink pomelo scent is my favourite Method scent. I will get the spray next time that I'm shopping, but it can be quite expensive. So what I will say, that a great dupe for Method products are by Marks and Spencer's actually, and I haven't got any of it here because I've used it all up, and they're literally about 50p or a pound. I can't remember now. I think they're about 50 to 80p. They've got this gorgeous apricot scented surface spray, and oh my god, it smells so good, but you do get through it very quickly for some reason. So I don't know, I just use it a lot. So I'm gonna go buy some more of that because I think it's really great and it's super affordable. So if you don't really want to spend as much on the Method products, then maybe try the Marks and Spencer's, or you could try this brand which is actually new to me, and it's Fabulosa. So I recently bought this, and again, look how much I've got through it. I get through this stuff so quickly. This is just a disinfectant spray, so I like to do, and the way to use it is to spray it on the surface that you want to clean, and then to leave it for 5 minutes to kind of let it do its thing and let it work. Don't wipe it down instantly because it's not going to work properly on the surface. So that's a little tip for you there, to leave it for 5 minutes. They've got so many different fragrances. This is very much like Flora, although Flora haven't got spray scents, have they? They do also have the neat like disinfectant. I haven't tried that yet, so I'm going to try that soon, but I really liked the spray and I really loved all the different colours that they had. So again, another affordable brand, is about £1 a bottle. Definitely check that out. You can get that from places like Home Bargains, B&M, places like that. While we're talking about Fabulosa, we obviously have to go to the OG, which is Flora. Flora is another favourite of mine, and what I like to do with Flora is I like to do Flora sink baths. So at the end of the evening, what I like to do is I pop some Flora into the sink. So I'll put some boiling water into the sink, and then I'll put a couple of capfuls of Flora in there, and it just makes my kitchen smell amazing. I do it every night just to get rid of any like cooking smells and things like that, and when I come down in the morning everything smells great. I also use it to disinfect my dishcloths and my sponges in the kitchen, so I'll just chuck them in there as well overnight and then take them out in the morning. It's such a great little way to just keep everything nice and clean and disinfected, and yeah, that's my favourite way to use Flora. Although again, there are so many ways to use Flora, and I do use it as a disinfectant spray as well. So I'll dilute it with some water and then put it in a squirty bottle, very similar to how this product would work. But Flora is another brand that I love, but I think I may be trying out some more Fabulosa in the future. Next, I wanted to talk about a product called elbow grease. So elbow grease is again one that I discovered last year and I absolutely love. This is a great all-rounder product. It gets rid of dirt, grease and grime very easily. So you just spray it on the area and it will be clean. I like to also use this on clothes. You can use it on fabrics, you can use it on metals and plastics. It's very multi-purpose product, and I really like using it on my stainless steel sink as well. So you know, sometimes it can get a bit grimy with food and things like that, so I will spray this down, leave it for a little while, and then I'll scrub it down with quite an abrasive kind of sponge, and it just makes it so nice and clean in there. So I always do that when I'm doing like a sink like deep clean. This is great. You can also use it on fabrics. Like I said, you can do like spot cleaning on your sofa. My friend Carly has done that recently, which I'm going to try out. I haven't tried that yet and it looked amazing. It definitely worked. So I'm going to try that on the sofa next, but I have used it on, again, stains on clothes, you know, like baby bibs that get stained with food and stuff like that. I will spray it down straight away after using it and then pop that in the washing machine, and that usually helps get rid of any stains. So again, this is a great product for everything, and yeah, I really like it. Yeah, we're getting down to the last few bits now. So the last couple of bits actually, Carpet Fresh. I've actually mentioned this a few times in my videos. This is a 1001 Carpet Fresh spray, and this is like a little foam spray. You basically spray this onto your carpets after you've vacuumed your floor, and it just gives a gorgeous fragrance to the room. It just smells amazing. I really like the Fresh Linen one, and this one is their kind of limited edition, more wintry fragrance. It's called Frosted Winterberries. I get it every year. I absolutely love this one. And again, this is a great one as well. If you've got people coming over last minute and you want your house to smell amazing when they come through the door, pop it onto your mat, before they come in the door, up the stairs, in your living room, and it's just going to release that gorgeous fragrance for your room. So definitely buy this. It is amazing. It smells so good, and it's just a nice little final step to do once you've vacuumed your house, because that's usually your last step of cleaning. So definitely get that. It will make your room smell amazing. Okay, so the final product now we're going to talk about is my mirrors. So for cleaning down mirrors and glass, I always use this. So I'll either use this or I'll use a special cloth that I use. I've used it in a video recently, so let me know if you can remember what it is, but I'll talk about that cloth when I do another video talking about my favourite cleaning items, so all of my tools that I use. When I don't have that tool available, I will use this, and this is the Auto Glide Fast Glass Cleaner. I bought this on Amazon probably about a year and a half ago, and I didn't use it for such a long time, and then I ran out of my cleaner that I used to love, and I can't get that anymore, so I changed it to this, and this is so good. It's just a normal glass cleaner, does the job really great, and it definitely cleans my glass without kind of leaving smears and things like that. I always will go over with a microfiber cloth, like a clean one. So basically what I'll do is I will use this with a microfiber cloth, so I'll spray it, wipe down the surface, and then I'll get another clean microfiber cloth just to get rid of any smears that may appear when I'm doing it. No matter what product you're going to use, you're always going to get a smear. It's about like how you're working in that product and how you're going to clean it off. So I always make sure I've got two cloths available, one for, you know, using the product on, and then one for wiping away any smears or any smudges that I might see. So there's always a smudge, so I'm always going to use another cloth just to go over it to wipe it down. But yeah, those are all of the products that I've been really loving, and they're kind of staples within my cleaning routine. Let me know what you absolutely love and what's your #1 favorite cleaning product, because I would absolutely love to know that. I'm always on the lookout for good new products that are going to save me time, so I'm hoping that if you haven't got any of these yet, then you can pick them up and they will save you some time and make your cleaning a little bit more enjoyable, because I know it can be very time consuming and we do a lot of it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also give it a thumbs up if you would like to see a video of my favorite cleaning tools, because I would love to share that with you. I've got lots of little tricks up my sleeve to share with you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.